Brown Mokgotsi will remain behind bars after the Johannesburg Magistrate Court denied his bail application for the second time. The alleged political fixer, who has been in custody since his arrest on 15 May, is now preparing to challenge the ruling in the High Court. His lawyer, Makau William Sekhatja, said the defense is disappointed with the decision, arguing that all the necessary evidence supporting bail was presented before the court. He also stated that keeping Mokgotsi in custody makes it more difficult to consult with his legal team and prepare for trial. The defense further expressed concerns that Mokgotsi could face additional implications arising from the ongoing Madlanga Commission. However, Sekhatja strongly denied allegations that his client intimidated state witnesses. Mokgotsi is facing several serious Schedule 5 charges linked to an alleged stage assassination attempt in Vosloorus in November 2025. The charges include perjury, defeating the ends of justice, unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition, discharging a firearm in public place, and attempting to bribe an investigating officer. According to the prosecution, ballistic evidence allegedly links the firearm used in the incident to other serious crimes, including murder. Investigators say the weapon has still not been recovered. Mokgotsi's legal team expected to file an appeal in the High Court as they continue fighting for his release pending trial. What do you think about the court's decision? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.